Diesel guys, you're going to want to stay tuned. I know that you typically associate Aeromotive with gas stuff, but they're entering the diesel market. I'm here with Jared Cox. Jared, you've got a new fuel pump, your first big splash into the diesel performance market. Tell me what's going on with this thing.
This thing is packed and chocked full of a lot of benefits that you will not find in any other diesel lift pump on the market. We have done a simple one filter design that does fuel and contaminants down to 3 micron. We have a fail-safe bypass valve in it, a true diaphragm style regulator on it, a pressure gauge, and a lot of cool features that you can't see in the pump right now, but we can go into more details with it later.
Very cool. Well, while we're here, tell me, most of these you see 2 filters on it. Why'd you choose to go with just 1?
I wanted to clean it up. I wanted to make it simple. I wanted to give diesel enthusiasts something that was cheaper and simpler to maintain, yet give them something that was more cost effective and better than what they were currently using. So we contacted FST Filter. They have a great filter that filters down to 3 micron. It also does, the contaminants and the water. So it's just a perfect option.
Now you've also got a regulating device built right into the pump.
Yes, some of the competitors in the market use a poppet assembly that doesn't really control pressure all that well. So we decided to use what we learned in the gas market, bring over a true diaphragm spring assembly for the regulator, which offers the best pressure control in the industry.
And you mentioned a fail-safe mechanism. Expand on that a little bit.
For the Duramaxes, they don't have lift pumps. They use the injection pump that's attached to the engine to draw fuel all the way from the tank all the way forward. By placing the lift pump in line with that, you have to be able, if for any reason, if the pump fails, then it has to be able to draw fuel through it. So we come up with an innovative way to put a fail-safe check valve in it that would allow fuel to bypass the pump completely if there was a failure.
Now, what kind of performance are we seeing out of this thing? What's the benefit to the end user?
The benefit to the end user, you're going to see actually quite a few. You're going to see reduced emissions, better idle quality, and you're going to see higher horsepower and better fuel economy.
So it's not just performance, there's an economic benefit here as well.
Yes, there is a huge economic performance value to this. We have seen anywhere from 2 to 8 mile per gallon increase just by simply adding a lift pump to the system.
That's huge, and for people out there who may be running a fleet, that can add up very quickly.
Yes, we actually been in contact with a few fleet vehicle managers out there. They run 130 in their fleet. That's 6 million miles a year. You crunch the math, that equates to be about 133,000 gallons of diesel fuel saved a year.
133,000 gallons of diesel fuel saved a year. At $4 a gallon, I'm carrying the one, and it's around $1 million.
It's a little over half a mil is what it equates out to.
Half a mil.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm not a math guy, as you can obviously tell. And for other people out there who want numbers, but maybe they're not math guys themselves, they can go to aeromotiveinc.com. That's aeromotiveinc.com to get more information. We're glad to have you in the diesel market. Thanks for being here, Jared.
Thank you.